Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. What's up? If you're looking for ways to make money and thrive in the working world, then we are here to help you. Sit down because this video will be very useful for you, as we are about to tell you the top 15 best paying jobs in the world. Number 15. Lawyer. Most of you might not know this, but being a lawyer can help you create a great fortune, as the average salary of a lawyer is about $141,890. All you need is to learn the legal strategies, handle clients, learn about law, and of course pass the law examinations, and your hard work will surely pay off. Number 14. Marketing Manager. People working as marketing managers have an average salary of $145,620, which makes it one of the highest paying careers in the world. The marketing managers are responsible for planning out strategies and creating policies for the marketing companies. Apart from the salary, they even get bonuses and commissions. Moreover, as you get more and more experience, the salary could vary. Number 13. University Professor. If you are a person who loves education and is passionate about teaching, then this job is for you. What's better than working in the profession you adore and getting paid really well for it? If you opt to become a teacher, then you can have a salary as much as $209,000. Number 12. Airline Pilot. Every child has a dream to become a pilot one day. Well, that's good news, because with the progressing world, airline pilots are more and more in demand. The good news is that if you are able to turn your childhood dream into a reality by securing the job of a pilot, you will be able to make an average of $240,000. Number 11. Software Engineer. Due to rapid development in technology, we're almost living in a digital world. So it should not be a surprise to see software engineers on this list, because their demand for their computer software developing techniques in this age is even more. Through their impressive skills, they can make an average salary of $153,000. Number 10. Investment Banker. Although math is not everybody's cup of tea, there are some people who possess an undying passion for mathematics. So if you are good with numbers and by time develop excellent mathematical skills with a degree in the same field, then you can opt to become an investment banker, and the salary potential of $209,000 will set your working life. Number 9. IT Manager. As we just talked about living in a digital world, here's another career that's gaining popularity more and more in this world. IT managers are greatly in demand in this modern world to tackle the different types of software upgrades and other technical skills. For that, they are also paid well with an average salary of $142,530. Number 8. Dentist. We all visit dentists for checkups or have visited them at least once in our lifetime. Do you all agree? And people who have had a proper procedure would know that their services aren't cheap if the dentist is highly skilled. Dental practices could be highly expensive, therefore it's one of the best paying jobs out there with an average salary of $174,110. Number 7. Pediatrician. Pediatricians are also one of the highly paid professionals with an average salary of $183,240. In this job, you will have to deal with children on a daily basis to keep a check on their health and diagnose any kind of disease or injury and work out the preventative measures. So if you love to be around children, this one is perfect for you. Number 6. Psychiatrist. You all might already know that today every other person is struggling with some sort of mental disorder without ever having it diagnosed. To make their life better, people are coming toward therapy as it provides the only way out of the constant suffering. Therapy is quite expensive, therefore, psychotherapy is one of the highest paying jobs with an average salary of $216,090. Number 5. Gynecology. Another best paying career in the field of medicine is that of gynecologist. Gynecologists can make an average salary of $235,240 for their medical practices, including childbirth, diagnosing, and dealing with other diseases related to the female reproductive system. Number 4. CEO. Being a Chief Executive Officer, CEO, means you're doing one of the highest paying jobs in the world by earning an average salary of $200,140. However, the job is not easy at all because it requires years of experience in business. Number 3. Surgeon. Another one of the highest paid careers is that of surgeons. Surgeons are paid well for their services in the world of medicine, with an average salary of $251,000, and rightly so, because they save lives of people with their extra years of study and practice. Number 2. General practitioner. General practitioners are well paid for improving the well-being of people. For their 10 years of training, general practitioners earn an average salary of $208,560, which is why it is one of the highest paying professions. Number 1. Neurosurgeon. Almost all professions related to medicine are highly paid. The most complicated and demanding one is that of neurosurgeons. Neurosurgeons have the highest paying job in the world with an average salary of $381,500. This brings us to the end of our video. Hope you found it useful. Let us know in the comments section about your thoughts. If you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and don't leave without hitting that notification bell, so you never miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Until then, take care and goodbye.